can as well use it to serve in the party. So beautiful, I love this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, welcome. Medicine O Jonathan here. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new kitchenware with you. I always like to buy new kitchenware as gift for me at end of every year. So this time, I was very careful not to buy what I will not use because I have a lot of kitchen appliances that I don't use. So I made sure I bought the things I needed, not what I want. So I'm happy I bought what I can use. So my best gift is this. The cooking pot has 3 colors. The cream color, can you see this? It has cream color. It has black, which I don't like. It also have red. I actually like color pots, but since I have red before, then I bought the cream color, which is very beautiful. So I'm going to unbox for you to see. Okay. You can see this. So I actually love it. This I can use to serve food as well. You can also use it in the oven to bake. So we also have the next one on this side. You know, this pot is like a fry pan. At times I find it easier to use fry pan to cook as pot. You know, I don't really like using deep pots to cook. It's kind of more difficult. You see, it's like a frying pan. So I just love using this type of pot to cook. So I've been like looking for it for a long time. It was not easy to get, but I bought them in Turkish shop. So look at it. Can you see this? So beautiful, guys. And I will show you the last one. Look at this. This is very big. This you can use for like cooking large meal for up to like 10 people. And you can as well use it to serve in the party. So beautiful, I love this. Please do not forget to like this video if you like what you are seeing. Subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up. You can as well share with your friends and family. So my next best is the air fryer. So don't forget, I said I didn't go for what I will not use. So I bought things I can use on daily basis. So this air fryer is very helpful because I don't have to be using my oven all the time. You know, my oven is big. I don't like it when I use it for like small quantity of food. It's good to use it for like large cooking or large baking. Then maybe you want to just do like a pasta, little pasta, and I will just put the oven on. Or maybe I just want to bake cake for like 2 or 3 people, then put the oven on. So I always like to use to cook or to bake and just eat it at that moment and not keeping it in the fridge or something. So that I always like to cook small quantity. So this is the air fryer. This air fryer is called Princess air fryer. This is 3-in-1. You can use it to air fry or for baking. You can as well use it for grilling. I love it so much, you know. I at times I like to do I like to buy half-baked bread. So I will just bake it for some minutes before eating it, and it looks so fresh and nice. And with this air fryer it's easier. So this is inside. Can you see the inside? This is the inside. So you can see what I'm trying to tell you. This is for grilling, and this is for frying. You can still use it to fry, air fry. So I love this so much. And my next best is which one is better? This, I have this and I have this. I don't know which one I love best. I think I love this vacuum sealer. I love this pot as well, but I don't know which one I love most. I think the vacuum sealer, because I've been wishing to have it for preservation of food. You can use it to preserve meats, fruits, snacks. It's amazing, guys. Very, very amazing. You can just vacuum the bag. There is a special bag for it. It's called vacuum bag. It has cutter as well, so you don't need to use scissors to cut your vacuum bag. You use this to cut the vacuum bag, and it's kind of suck the air from the bag, and like vacuum, remove all the air, then it will seal the bag. So it's like 3-in-1. So I love it. And my next one is this very one here. Okay, this is the vacuum, the instruction manual for the vacuum bag. So I'm going to be giving you detail. I'm going to be putting the link behind on how to use it, guys. It's very useful. You need this in your kitchen. Okay, so my next one is going to be this. This is aluminium. This is cast iron pot. It's like kind of frying pan, I saw this in the Turkish restaurants, and I just love the recipe they use it for. So I went searching for it. This is the cast iron fry pan. It's very healthy, very healthy. So it's small but mighty, and it's as well expensive. So I went searching for it because of the recipe. I love the recipe they use it for. And it also have, you can see, look at this here. You can see this sort of a carrier that's so. Let me see. Under six. That is what it's called. It's kind of like a board. Kind of board to carry it out. So you can see this. So beautiful. So these are the kitchen well I bought for myself this year. And I don't want to buy more because I don't have space anymore. So guys, what gift did you buy for yourself this Christmas? Apart from, kitchen, in your kitchen, not other gifts. Not like car, phone, or other one, but the one you bought for yourself in the kitchen. So let me know in the comment section. what you bought for yourself. So if you watch this video to this time, I will want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.